Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can see the life bar for both allies and enemies in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and what we're looking for can be found in two ways. One is to select the menu here and then go to Options. As you can see, Options can also be triggered by pressing O, so let's go ahead and do that, and now we can see that we're going to select the Interface tab. Make sure that you're on Interface, and then if you scroll down, you're going to find here where it says Show Mini Life Bar above NPCs. Right now that's set to none. We're going to go ahead and select Allies and Enemies, and then we're going to hit Save. And that's all there is to it. Now you should be able to see the life bar above both allies and enemies in Path of Exile 2. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.